the other project I had. I found this old satellite dish.
Hello there, stranger, and welcome to my video. This project began when I noticed my neighbors discarded an old satellite dish from atop their roof. The old dish appeared to be manufactured in the 80s, and I was attracted to its simplistic industrial design. There was something about the curve of the sheet metal and the heft of the stand that just inspired my imagination. So with that, I brought it into the yard and started the project. By re-welding the dish to the stand in a horizontal position, I was able to make my trash sculpture function as a bird bath. I'd also found some curved rebar on the street, which I thought went well with the shape of the dish. So I decided to bend them out a little and attach them over the top for the birds to perch on. Wanting to keep up with the theme of repurposed obsolete technology, I added this old broken VHS camera for decoration.
Check.
So there you have it. That is how I welded a bunch of trash together and made an alien communication station / bird bath / mosquito breeder / art piece. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. This was streamed on Twitch, so if you ever want to pop in and say good day, feel free. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace.